Hey fellow YouTubers, Mr. E here from Mr. E's channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the AirPort Extreme simultaneous dual band 802.11n router. Okay, sorry, I was trying to show you that's what that was there. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I picked this up from Walmart. I was actually pretty shocked to see that they even had this. And the price point was $100, which I was even more shocked to see. So, okay, that just says designed by Apple in California. So, this is just your installation CD. It says install software before connecting base station. Okay, so I'll just open that up here. Okay, and there's your setup guide. Limited warranty information. Okay, and your install CD. Okay. Alright, now here's the power brick. It's pretty tiny. The power cables. Okay. Alright, so yeah, as I was saying, I just happened to stumble across this in Walmart today, and I was surprised to see that the price point was $100. Now these things normally retail for $179, so that's the cheapest price I've ever seen. I mean, and I had to check it just to make sure it wasn't the previous generation, the older, AirPort Extreme. I made sure that this was the one that said simultaneous dual band, so I was pretty excited to see that. And then of course I wanted to make sure it did ring up $100 at the register, and it did, so I was pretty excited about that. It's a good $80 savings right there. Okay, well, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. Not a whole lot to show you there. I hope you enjoyed that unboxing video, and please subscribe to my channel.